exercise time. And first, before we exercise, don't forget to warm up. Our first warm up is neck roll. We're going to roll our necks, counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Our next one are arms, rolling our arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Don't forget your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last but not least, let's run in place, counting to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job.